So this is a 96 Suzuki Quadrunner LT-4 drive. I have a bearing issue, so we are going to change the bearings in the back of this. I'll show you here. Like it on both sides. Bearings are bad, then we'll replace the seals also. First we have to remove this tire. Well, the wheel's off. First thing we're going to do is remove that bolt right there. Okay, now we will remove this bolt and nut. It's right here behind the foot peg and just underneath the front of the back fender, and both of these are 14 millimeter. Okay, I got one more bolt to take out, and it is on the shock. The first thing I'm going to do is take this off. I'm going to pop this rubber piece here off. I'm going to take this nut off here after I get this cotter key out. You also have this washer here, and you have this washer here that goes on there. Now this should just pull out, like so. Okay, before we take that bolt out, it's on the bottom of the shock. We want to take all the connections off of the back of our hub. Okay, you shouldn't need to take this arm off or mess with the spring. All we need to do is take this cotter pin out and take it off from right here. Okay, we got it out. Here's what we got: a washer, a pin, and a cotter pin. Now we'll go ahead and take this bolt out. Okay, now we're going to pull the arm off, A-frame arm, whatever that is, and take our cable off of it. Okay, as you can see, this one right here just slipped out from in here. Okay, and this other one that's holding it, it's got a little like a pin clamp. We'll move that out of the way, and we'll pull that hose off, and that's the only thing that's holding it. Okay, there we have it. Okay, we got it up here. Here's one hose you don't have to take off. Okay, here's the bearings down inside here. We're going to knock them out. We got an inner and an outer, and we're going to change both of them. I'm going to put this part, I'm just going to lay it over here in this vise, and I'm going to drive this seal and this bearing out of this side first. Okay, I got it in the vise. I don't got the vise very tight because I don't want to damage it. I'm going to stick a punch in the top here and drive the bearing and the seal out the bottom. Okay, I want to show you something here with these bearings. You got a race in between your two bearings. See how I got that one pushed to one side to where I can get in there with a punch. See, there's the seal. Okay, you can push that race from one side to the other while you're evenly tapping out the bearing. Okay, I'm going to put my hand down here and I'm going to catch the bearing. This is the race. This is what's in between the two bearings. You have to have this to put back in. You have to have that between those bearings.